Neptune tuner here. We've got a 2011 Audi A4 Quattro. We've got a check engine light. So follow me real quick and let's take a look at the code. We've got this code right here on our code reader. It's P2187. Do you see that good on the camera? P2187. It says 2 lean at idle. All right, bank 1, it's only got 1 bank. And it just stored it twice. It says 1 of 2, 2 of 2 is the same thing. So the most common thing, if it's not, I've already been all the way through this and replaced everything, but I didn't replace this breather assembly. It already was updated and replaced at some time prior or before already, because it's got a white top. And as you see right here, I'm in the process of changing the oil. I've got a special devoted one to pull the oil out, and then I've got this one that has clean new oil only. But this is a new way of doing this lean fault right here. This is a kit from Dorman, and it's a cheap diaphragm kit, so that way you don't have to replace this whole thing, this whole breather valve. So I'm going to try to pop this off. These tabs all the way around it, and you want to be really careful not to break these, but you kind of get under here like this, and they can and will snap off if you're not careful. And this kit did not, oh, it did come with a new lid, so we don't even have to worry about it. But it still might not be a bad idea to try to get it off, even if not for just good practice, without breaking it. All right, so I got those 2 sides off right there. I'm gonna come around here, try to all right, I'm gonna hold this up right here because it will pop back into place, and then don't stab yourself in the eye with a pick. It's been a while since I've taken one of these things off. Boy, that last one's really holding. It looks absolutely perfect. That was what I scratched up there in the corner. But sometimes, from my experience, they can still look perfect and still fail because the diaphragm itself is just weakened. So we're going to take this kit out. It's a Dorman 917-064. Got it from Rock Auto. All right, we got the new rubber diaphragm. It's a lot more pliable, and we got the new cap. We've got the old cap as well, but now just in case something happens, we have both. So go ahead and put it like this. You see the spring fits perfectly in here, like so. And then this line right here goes right in line with this right here. So you just pop it like so, make sure everything's lined up, and then make sure that all the clips are snapped in. You can audibly hear every single one, and then you can go back and inspect all of them. And then that should take care of the lean issue. If you want to go further on it, you can get into a fancy scan tool and then get into a test plan and do leak detection spray, and then see the fuel trim through the oxygen sensors. So that's a video. Yep.